you're working on a school project on your computer. You spend hours and hours writing and making changes. Everything is going well, but then something goes wrong. Your file gets deleted, your computer crashes, or you make a mistake and can't figure out how to undo it. That would be stressful, right? Well, this is where Git comes in. So, what is Git? Git is a tool that helps you keep track of changes in your work. Think of it like a time machine for your code. Every time you make important changes, Git can save a version of your project, right? That way, if something goes wrong later, you can go back to an earlier version of your work. So here's a simple example. You write something, Git says version 1, you make changes, Git saves version 2. Later, you accidentally break something, right? That always happens. So instead of starting all over again, Git lets you go back to version 1. That's the power of Git. It keeps track of every important change you make. So that's why developers all over the world use Git when building softwares, apps, and websites. In simple terms, we can say that Git is a tool that remembers your project's history and helps you recover from mistakes. And that's what Git is, a time machine for your code. So if you are working on a project, consider using Git to keep your work safe and organized. It's a great way to ensure that you can always go back to a previous version if something goes wrong eventually. Plus, it makes collaborating with others much easier, as everyone can see the history of changes and work together even more efficiently. So, whether you are a student, a hobbyist, or a professional developer, Git is an essential tool that can save you time and frustration. So in my next video, I will explain GitHub and how it works together with Git. This explanation was actually inspired by an article I wrote on Medium. You can find the link in description. Thanks for watching.